Problem 2. A circular pathway has a length of 220 meters. Okay. Two kids A and B start at the same time, one clockwise, one non-clockwise. So, well, it says same time, but not same place. I wonder why. One clockwise, one non-clockwise. Okay, so basically they're going in different directions. So I'm just wanting to make sure that, clockwise is the way a clock moves. So clockwise would be this way, actually. This is clockwise. And of course, non-clockwise would just be the other direction. Okay, I think you get the idea. Anyway, on two ends, so they are starting at different places. They are starting at oh, I can't erase this. Oh, okay, so they're starting at two ends of the circle's diameter. All right, so this is strange. This is different. So it's saying that it's starting at two ends of the circle's diameter. Kid A's speed. So kid A's speed is 6 meters per second, and kid B's speed is 5 meters per second. If they keep traveling like this along the pathway, how many times will they meet? How many times will they meet within 210 seconds? Okay. Well, first I am going to be drawing a model of this, of course. So there is my circle. Oops, I think I went a little down right here. So let me scroll up. Okay, there we go. And it's saying that there is a diameter. So a diameter is how long it is from one circle's end to its other end. So just about like that. So that is the diameter of the circle. I think about, maybe it's gonna go a bit down. Yeah. So the diameter is equal on both sides. It's part of like circle vocabulary. So it's from one end to another. Two kids A and B. So I'll make A start over here and B start over here. And they go at the same time, one clockwise, one non-clockwise. So maybe A will be going up like that clockwise and B will be non-clockwise. And it's at two ends of the diameter. Kid A's speed is 6 meters per second, while kid B's speed is 5 meters per second. So they keep traveling this along the pathway. How many times will they meet within 210 seconds? So, wow, 200 seconds is a long way, right? But I'm first going to see if I can pick up a pattern. So maybe I can use the part where, the formula, every single time they meet, their distance combined is the pathway length. Well, yes, but remember that only works, all of those formulas will only work if we want them to work when they start at the same time, same place. Of course, right now they're starting at the same time, but as you can see right here, not exactly at the same place, are they? So what we can do is make them the same place. So first we know that, these, we're first going to let them meet. So we could have like a part where they meet first from these 2 points. Where they meet would be this flagpole right here. Remember that this is the diameter of the circle, which means that this side is the same as this side. So it's really the whole length divided in two. The whole length has a length of 220. If we divide that in half, we get 110, which means that this length right here is 110 meters. Okay, now we are going to take that 110 and we will be dividing that with their combined speeds, just like from our meetup problems. So we would be doing 110 divided by 6 plus 5, right? That's their combined speeds, which will get us 10. So it takes them 10 seconds to meet over here. So that's their number first time trying. Alright, so they already have the first time right? I'm going to do that to show that it's the first time. And I want to make sure you know that it's already 10 seconds. Already 10 seconds have passed. And the time limit is 210 seconds, which means that we have to do 200 divided by something to find how much times they will meet. Anyway, now let's try how they would meet for the second one. You know, they're going to keep going like that, and they meet. So this time they're starting out at the same time, same place. Notice how it was very important for me to first get this to the same place because that's the only way I'll be able to use the formula. Okay, anyway, we know that now their combined distance is 220, right? And we know that divided by that, by 6 plus 5, we get 11, which means, you know, this is distance, this is their speed, so this is the time. So each time they meet like that, it takes 11 seconds. So now if we know that, then we can take the remaining seconds. So we know that there's the total limit of 210. And then we subtract 10 seconds from that. After we divide by, okay, sorry. Up here was supposed to be 20. I'm sorry, this is 11. So we divide by this. So every single time, pardon me if I said everything wrong before. So this tells us that every single time that they meet for the fully now after their first meet, each of those meets takes 20 seconds. So now we're trying to see how much 20 seconds fit into the time left after this 10 seconds that's already spent, right? So then this becomes 200 divided by 20, so that equals 10. So many people, they would just answer, they meet 10 times. Well, no, they're missing something. So remember, their first time meeting, we calculated it separately up here. So it's really 1 plus 10, right? This is the 10 we got over here, and this is another 1 time we got over here. That's 11. So really we have 11 times. So always watch out to redo the problem and actually conclude, because a lot of people, they just, you know, they do the math and they have whatever number that's on their hands right now and they answer it and they push it in. But as problems get more complicated, you know, as you go, it's really helpful to go back and say, what is the problem asking? And is this what's in my hands right now? Is this what it's looking for? If not, you should go back and just quickly review everything we did, grab the information you need, maybe like add them together or something, and then put it in. So I think the most important part of solving this problem was being able to first, you know, pay attention to that and being able to notice that it says only same time here, but you need same time and same place in order for those two formulas to work. So then we just put them in the same place. You know, we made them meet for the first time. So now they're also starting at the same place, same time. So you can think of this as another starting point. And then, you know, they keep going in those two ways, and then we can calculate them with division because it's equal. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and see you in problem